Over the weekend, I had a brilliant idea. Ready? Hear me out. Dropshipping from China. I know, nobody really done this in the past. I'm gonna be the first one, very original, right? People talk about dropshipping from China to Shopify, but there's not many people talking about dropshipping from China into eBay. Actually, there are a few, and they say it's possible to do that. But is it really though? I mean, let's take a look at pros of dropshipping from China, okay? Let's take a look at the list. So we got long shipping time, poor quality. Wait, these are not the pros. Let's see what's down the line. Hard returns, limited customer support. I mean, this doesn't sound too good. These sounds like cons, not a pro. So what is an actual pro of dropshipping from China? Money. Dropshipping from China has one big benefit, okay? Big margins, big profits. That's where the true value of dropshipping from China is. Because let's face it, poor quality, long shipping times, no customer service, that doesn't sound too fun. That actually sounds like a disaster if you ask me. But I'm not giving up on the idea yet, okay? I decided to do a little bit of research and I asked people in the Facebook group that I created, as well as the private Discord, and I reached out to some dropshippers that I know to see if they ever done this. And it looks like I got an answer that some of you did that and you are supposed to having success. So today we're gonna find out if it's possible to dropship from AliExpress to eBay and how can we do that. If you watch me for a while, you know that I dropship mostly from big retail websites such as Walmart.com, Home Depot, sometimes Amazon. So I've done that in the past and I know it works and it's successful because that's how I make money. That's how I live right now because that's the main source of income for me. But this whole AliExpress thing, it kind of bothers me because the profit sounds really good on there. I mean, whenever I use big retail websites, the max margins I can get are like 25, 30%. That's the max I can get. With AliExpress, I can get supposedly 40 to 50% margins, which is insane. That's a lot of money, you know? So the first thing I did, I tried to find if there are other dropshippers that do dropshipping from China into eBay. And I was able to find a couple of accounts and they even are pretty open about dropshipping from China because when you see their location, it says some city in China and it also mentions that the shipping time is quite long. So it's possible there are people doing it and eBay has nothing against it because dropshipping on eBay is within their terms of services. But are these dropshippers making money? Well, there's an easy way to find out. I use Zik Analytics to spy on these people and see if they are making money. And I can see them having tons of listings, but they're not making that many sales. I guess the long shipping time is not something that people are really into it and people just don't want to wait. The only time I've seen people actually buying products from these dropshippers is when the product is kind of unique, something that you can't really find anywhere else. That's usually when they do get sales. So that's what I'm gonna try to find. I'm gonna try to find products that are kind of unique and ideally I can shorten that shipping time because there's one cool thing about AliExpress that a lot of people are not talking about. You see, AliExpress actually have warehouses in US too and you can easily find that. You can simply just filter out products to show US locations and you can find products that are being located in US. The problem is that a lot of people that use that system kind of abuse it and they lie. I mean, take a look at this. I can click on this listing that says it's shipped from US, but when I actually click on it, it says shipped from China. And you will find a bunch of listings like that over there. So it's kind of making this whole process complicated. So I'm gonna try to do Zik Analytics one more time and see if I can use Zik to find products that sell on eBay and I can dropship them from China, okay? So let's see what happens. Okay, so I use Zik to try to find these products, right? And I spend quite a lot of time right now. And I even use the pro feature that costs extra to, find me good products. And they do find great products, don't get me wrong. These products sell fantastic. They get a lot of sales on AliExpress, but they all ship from China and I just don't want to deal with this. I want to find a US-based warehouse that sells products from AliExpress and I can use this warehouse to sell on eBay. That's what I want because it's just, there's always something, there's either a long shipment time or the page just looks weird. Like I don't want to drop from random places from AliExpress because there's a lot of scams on AliExpress and the customer service sucks. So you don't really have very much support over there. So I try to find someone legit, like someone that has been on AliExpress for a long time. They have a top rated ranking, and you know, they've been selling them for like at least 4 or 5 years, because you can actually see this on AliExpress. It will show you how long someone has been selling on. And it's hard to find something like that. I literally spent like an hour doing this thing and I haven't found a single product, you know, like I can find 20 products within that time using Walmart or Home Depot or whatever. But with AliExpress, it's just fine to find the product. It's just so time consuming, you know? I hope those profit margins are worth it though. So let's continue with our research. Okay, I decided to change my tactic a little bit. I just didn't have too much success that Zik Analytics was giving me as a suggestions, okay? I was just decided to see what are the best selling products on eBay right now, the 500 best selling products, which also Zik Analytics will show you. And I can see all these products on eBay, right? I can see what they are. And a lot of them are like techie items, like headphones, gaming headphones, keyboards, those fake AirPods. Like those are the #1 sellers on eBay. So how lucky enough, there's a lot of products like that on AliExpress. But I'm kind of concerned about these type of products because these are techie products and they kind of look like they are made from poor quality, okay? So that concerns me. But hey, this is an experiment. What can we lose? Another eBay account? Maybe. Hopefully not. You know what I actually noticed? That it's easier to find products using AliExpress app on your phone than when you do it on your computer. For some reason, whenever I go on my phone, the filters work just better and it's faster and smoother, you know? So I think I'm gonna do the rest of the product research on my phone since it's just easier to do that. Hopefully we'll find something. All right, I think I found some products. I don't know how I feel about them. I feel like I could find way better products doing regular retail dropshipping thing using Walmart or something. But hey, let's try it, you know? So before we list these products, there's one more thing that we need to do. I need to set up a special shipping policy on eBay that extends kind of the day frame. Even though I found some products that are US based, it still takes longer amount of time to ship them than if I would use a retail website as a supplier. So we need to set up a special shipping policy on eBay, and I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. All you have to do is go to ebay.com and then go to your settings. Next, go to business policies, create policy, shipping. Name it whatever you want. I'm gonna put AliExpress. We're gonna set up standard shipping. We're gonna offer free shipping. And then where it says handling time, we're gonna put 6 business days, okay? The reason being why we're gonna set up so high is because I don't know how much time it's gonna take this AliExpress supplier to fulfill the order. So 6 business days plus the 5 business days that I get from the shipping policy, I think that gives me enough time for my supplier to deliver the product. This might actually lower a bit of our sell-through rate, but I'm not gonna risk my account for these products if they don't work out. I hope I picked the good products. I hope I'm gonna get some sales. So we're just gonna leave it as it is. And now we're gonna list these products, and I'm gonna use a tool called AutoDS to list them very fast. So let me show you how to do that. So listing products on AutoDS is very easy. All I have to do is copy the links that I saved up of all the products that I want to post on eBay, go back to AutoDS, click on add multiple products, paste the links, add as draft, and wait for the products to show up on my AutoDS dashboard. Once there, I need to optimize the listings a little bit. So let's start with the first one. So I'm going to click on it. We're going to edit the title very quickly. So I'm going to remove all the unnecessary wording that I don't need, such as coccyx or whatever that is. Okay, we're done with the title. Let's go to the description. Let's remove all the necessary stuff and all the grammar incorrect sentences. Like, nobody needs to know about the smell of this product. Why do you even mention the smell? We don't need to talk about it. Let's continue with the rest. So now we're gonna go to the images. For the main image, we're gonna do a little trick. We're gonna add a golden star just to make sure to stand out from the competition on eBay, just in case if there is any competition for this particular product. And this is pretty much done. So I'm gonna click on save and import, and voila, my listing is on eBay now. Okay, it looks like I'm done. Now I just have to wait for sales. Hopefully this whole thing is gonna work out. I don't really know how I feel about it. Some of these products have very high profit margins and that looks fantastic. But man, the amount of product research time I spend on this, it's just crazy. And there's so many scammy products on AliExpress. It's just really hard to find someone trustworthy, you know? Again, comparing this to like Amazon or Walmart, where I can find tons of products with quick shipping, this is just a hassle. The true benefit of this method though is the profit margins. It seems like the profit margins are quite high. If you want to learn the regular way of dropshipping on eBay, you can open my YouTube channel and check out the videos. But if you want like a A to Z dropshipping guide, I have a paid course that you can find out on dropshipping.com where I teach you how to dropship from regular suppliers that have quick shipping onto eBay and Facebook Marketplace. I also have a private community, weekly mentorship meetings with me, and you have access to me. You can always message me there on Discord and I will respond to you promptly. I don't teach AliExpress dropshipping there. This is completely new to me, okay? So we don't have that. I don't even know if this is gonna work. You know what will work though? If you like this video, because this is gonna increase your sell-through rate. At least that's what the statistics are saying. And hey, you can't fight the data, okay? Science tells you that if you like this video, you're gonna get more sales. This is confirmed by a bunch of people already. I'm just kidding, obviously. But yeah, I'm just waiting for the sales now. But this is not over of the AliExpress journey, okay? There's way more to come. So stay tuned for more. Next time, we're gonna look at the orders. Peace.